How to fix this message or channel can't be displayed in Telegram, Step by Step 2026. Are you seeing this message or channel can't be displayed on Telegram? This usually happens because sensitive content filtering is enabled. In many cases, the option is not available in the official mobile app, so you need to enable it from the browser. Step 1. Open Telegram in browser. Open any browser like Chrome or Safari. Go to web.telegram.org. Step 2. Log in to your account. Enter your phone number. Enter the verification code sent to your Telegram app. Step 3. Open Settings. Click the menu, 3 lines. Click Settings. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down to find Sensitive Content. Step 5. Enable sensitive content. Turn on Disable Filtering 18+ content. This allows restricted channels to be visible. Step 6. Reopen Telegram app. Open the Telegram mobile app again and search and open the channel or message. The problem should now be fixed. Final summary. Open Telegram Web, Settings, Privacy and Security, Enable Sensitive Content, reopen the app. This is the most reliable method to fix the "this message or channel can't be displayed" error in 2026.